Are you ready to rock your taste buds with some seriously delicious grilled pan salmon? Oh yeah, we're gonna make those flavors dance like nobody's watching. First up, grab those gorgeous salmon fillets. We're talking about 8 ounces of pure deliciousness. Season those babies up with some salt and pepper on both sides. Give them love, you know. But before you do that, pat the salmon dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Now, let's get saucy. Melt some unsalted butter in a saucepan, then toss in minced garlic. Can you smell it? It is garlic heaven. Cook it up until it's fragrant and fabulous. Next, it's grill time. Spray the grill pan with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. Preheat that pan like it's a hot date. Place your salmon fillets on there, skin side down. To infuse the salmon with additional flavors, we are also grilling 1 lemon and 2 green scallions. Oh, and don't forget to brush them with that dreamy garlic butter concoction. It's like a spa day for your salmon. And after about 4 to 5 minutes, flip the salmon over and continue cooking for another 4 to 5 minutes. Use the rest of the garlic butter on the skin side as well. Heat up a saucepan over medium heat and add olive oil. Add 2 cups of couscous, stirring frequently until about half the grains are golden brown, about 5 to 6 minutes. Meanwhile, we need the zest of 1 lemon and the juice of that same lemon. Once the couscous has been toasted, add the zest of the lemon, followed by 2.5 cups of either a chicken or vegetable broth. Season with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. Then cover and continue cooking for another 5 minutes until all the liquid has evaporated. And once all the liquid is gone, go ahead and fluff the couscous. Now turn the heat off and incorporate the juice of the lemon. You may garnish with fresh scallion or parsley. Cooked salmon internal temperature should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the salmon has been cooked to perfection, go ahead and serve. There you have it, garlic butter salmon with couscous. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.